And what's going on, guys? It's the next episode of Straight 6 Auto Parts. As always, we're here in California. It's not as beautiful, the weather today, but it's okay. I hope by the time this video is gonna be up on YouTube, we're gonna hit 1,000 subscribers. I hope so, and that's the goal for like next couple of videos. And today we have 2012 BMW 335 IS E93 Convertible. IS means sport version of that 335. So the car came to us from here, for local, from San Diego, close to the Mexican border, and it has 121,000 miles on it. It might seem like a little bit high, but the condition is pristine. Not a pristine, but pretty good, I should say. Especially for that mileage, it's wonderful. Let's go ahead and I will show you the details and everything and what's so special about the IS compared to 335. Yeah, we'll go from there. Let's go. So the car came with a front end damage, and as you can see, we have missing front bumper. We actually have it. Yes, let me bring it. So I think you got an idea how it's supposed to look like. Kind of like that. Okay, now the bumper is installed. Almost have a little bit of gaps in here everywhere. But at least it looks better than before. We're covering that scary looking front end. And here is the main damage on the driver's side. And as we know, on the 335 IS, it's got that additional oil cooler. It's actually coolant cooler, additional auxiliary radiator. That's how it goes, auxiliary radiator, in addition to the main one. So headlight got damaged, fender, what's it called, a fender liner. And luckily wheel is still good. Has some scratches on it. We will see how it is inside, but I hope it's gonna be good, so we will have complete set of unique 335 IS wheels. And on this side looks so cool, especially on the back. They're a little bit wider, and on 335 IS we'll have those stickers everywhere. Then we have blackout mirrors. No matter what color of your car, mirrors always black. On this car we have black hood. It's just because we sold the hood from this car and we decided to put at least something on it. No, it's not how it came, it's what we did to it. And mirror on this side is missing. We have that sign in here, 335 IS, which is gonna be priceless even if the fender is damaged. Besides that, on top of that, 335 IS is always LCI version. It can be 2011, 12 or 13. This is 12. It is the blackout sign. And of course, on the LCI we're gonna have LCI tail lights, and also 335 IS comes with the unique diffuser. And let me show you that cool feature. Are you ready? Okay. Yes, the interior is red, but it's not about the 335 IS. 335 IS, it's got cluster with 335 IS sign on it. That trim 335 IS sign on it. And also they all comes with either DC transmission or manual transmission. There is no regular option as far as like the automatic transmission. So once we're here, let me show you the condition. So look, the seats like almost immaculate. A little bit of wear in here on this bolster, but overall everything is beautiful. Also, all the 335 IS, they comes with M Sport package, and it means that we're gonna have a steering wheel like that soft Napa leather steering wheel with M logo on it. We're gonna have the M logo in here. Of course, we're gonna have side skirts as M Sport side skirts, and we have M Sport front bumper, which is damaged in here. So this is the regular one, this is the M Sport. Again, This is the regular one, and this is the M Sport. And also, if you look at the side skirt, this is the regular one, it's flat. This is the M Sport version. You see that line all the way along it, and this one is actually survived. So you can definitely tell M Sport version is way nicer than that one. It's just the regular one. Yes, this car has ugly wheels on it, came from one series, but you just look at this one. Maybe because of the color, maybe white color is always better, especially with the black hood. Kind of like, hood is damaged though, so it's gonna go to trash probably. Yeah, damaged in here and somewhere in the corners as well. Besides that, yes, as far as the condition of the car, we have pretty new rotors, so which means the car being maintained. And also the good indicator of the car, how the car was maintained, is the tires. These tires looks good. This car came with a missing exhaust. I think it's missing all the way. Let me see actually. Oh, look at how shiny it is. That's what it means. California car. The car is partially disassembled, and let me show you why. That's how easy to remove the hood from E90 BMW. So as you can see, we're already half of the way through. We parted out half of the car. Bumper is out, hood is out. Looks like half of the car missing. Here is the what we have under it. So we need to replace the fuel rail because there was something missing. I don't remember exactly. Yeah, that line is missing. Not the whole fuel rail, but we'll just swap those small lines in here. And we have missing charge pipe in here. We have missing fan. We have missing intercooler at the bottom. Look at those inlets. They upgraded inlets. Maybe we'll find some kind of upgraded turbo. I hope so. And as I can see in here, I don't know if you can see it, but I can see there is no cats in it. Yes, no cats. I hope the turbochargers still there. Oh yeah, I do see them. Yes, they still in place still, which is good, at least something. And on IS, as we know, this is the additional, like the relay for the upgraded fan. A fan is more powerful on those 335 IS compared to 335. It's actually the same as on 335 diesel. 335 IS, 335 diesel, they have the same fan. The car came with no coils also, so we put those coils in. So as I said, so yes, we'll get the car inside, we will put those rails and we will try to start the car. Maybe we'll also find a charge pipe and just to throw it in. And basically that's all that we need to start the car. And yes, of course, 335 IS, it comes with the N54 engine only. Even if it's the 2012, a regular 2012 E92 would be with N55 engine. This one N54, all of the ISs, they comes with the N54 engine, except of the 135 IS. I think I covered pretty much everything. Let's go inside one more time. We'll go over the interior. So as far as the interior, everything is in good working condition, everything like mint. I did check that before. We have heated seats, we have... Oh, I didn't check the pump, like the roof pump. That's what we will check once we get the car inside. So the first, our goal right now to start the car. And once we start it, we can check everything else. So the battery is not gonna get drained. And yes, of course, the battery is drained right now. Oh, I almost forgot to do our main test. And it's the cup holder test. Let's do it right now. 3, 2, 1. Yep. Slowly, but you did it. One more time. One more time. Then my finger? Yeah, my dirty finger. And this one. Almost. It's gonna make it next time. Yes, almost. No. So I think we're good for now. Let's get the car inside and we will try to test the engine. We'll try to start it. I hope it's not shot. Let's get inside. Okay guys, so we got the car inside and we're already actually half of the way through. Let me show you what's going on in here. So first thing what we did, we replaced the fuel rail, and as you remember, we already had those injectors from like last week. Installed the coils, everything is good right now. Unfortunately, we started the engine, but it's knocking from somewhere and we don't know where it's from. Yeah, we will try to open the valve cover, we'll see what's going on. Also, we will try to measure the compression, we'll see what's the problem. And I think we should open the whole engine and see what's going on inside. So far, here is the car. We finished the interior, is actually right here. Red interior for E93, whoever needs that. And here is all the parts in the boxes and the ISG. So I think we're ready to get the car up in the air now, and yeah, the whole interior is gone. Let's take it up and we'll take a look from under it. And here is what we have from the bottom. So we have missing exhaust. They actually put this, oh no, they didn't even take it out. They took it out from here and all the way from over there. Missing downpipes, missing the exhaust, and besides that, the engine looks okay. It looks clean actually. I don't even see any oil leaks in here. Yeah, just a little bit in here. Might be actually from the transmission. No, it's not. So yeah, so far looks good. Let's keep going and take the engine out now. Oh yes, forgot to mention. So while we're here, that's the diffuser on 335 IS with those fins, which is unique on 335 IS only. It's just regular plastic, looks cool, and this part is painted. You can actually paint it black. I think it's gonna be better if that would be black. And also I realized we have the damage in here in the front. You see the control arm, the lower one, this is the damaged one. This is how it's supposed to be. And as always, a lot of scratches at the bottom because of the forks off of the forklift. And yeah, this is completely destroyed. Oh, we'll also need to check if the wheels are good. This one looks good. Looks good inside. This one is good as well. Yeah, this one is good as well. Looks clean. This one is straight. And the last one. Yes, yes, yes. Complete set of 19 inches wheels from the IS original. I don't remember the style, but that's the unique IS wheels. And here is the red interior we got set up in here. Let me show you the condition and everything. So the passenger side is immaculate condition, and the driver's side is pretty good as well. A little bit wear on here, this side, but it's all good. The only problem is in here, it's the blown seat belt. That's all it is. Yeah, blown seat belt, and that's it. The airbag is still in it. So this is the rear seats in here, all good. Door cards for the Harman Kardon sound system with the tweeter on the back, and here is the driver's side door panel. Pretty clean as well. Back also gonna be included as well. So let us know if you need it. And also we have one M3 competition interior going out today and another E92 red interior in the process of packing, will be shipped out today. So 2 interiors out, 1 more in, and we have another red one in here and 1 more red in here and in here as well. This is the day 2. We're almost at the end of our conversation with that 335 IS. The only few bolts left to take the engine out. We will do it tomorrow, but the car is up in the air right now. And let's have a look what we have left in here. And so far, I'm happy with this car, with the condition and everything. Let me show you. So water pump is been replaced. As we can see, year in here, it's 2009, 24/05/19, which means May 24th of 2019. The engine looks pretty clean in here in the front as well. Same thing I can say about the oil pan. It's not that scary. We still don't know what kind of turbos are those. We'll find it out tomorrow once we get the engine out. Everything is ready in here to take it out. We have those bolts out. That's my recommendation, to take them out while the car is up on the lift or while the engine is still in here, because it's very hard to take them out once you have the engine somewhere on the floor. Because they at the very bottom, and it's the T30, it's hard to reach them. And it's easier to remove everything in here, like the steering rack and sway bar, control arms, everything as far as the suspension, while the car is on the lift. So yes, we need to drain the gas and the car is gonna be done. Need to remove the fender also. Rear bumper, yes, of course. And basically that's gonna be it. We took pretty much everything that we need from here. We took the hubs. We don't need the shocks because it's kind of 121 1,000 miles. It's kind of high. Everything clear in here. We have this thing is out from the DCT transmission. Oh yes, transmission. We're gonna have the whole swap for the transmission, differential, drive shaft, axles are still the same on all of them, rear calipers all the same. Yeah, somewhere we should have axles also. DCT axles the same as manual transmission axles, so you can use both of them, but automatic transmission is different. I mean, axles are different on automatic transmission. We're gonna have the whole set for the 3 series, not the 1 series. 1 series is everything is the same except of the drive shaft. Drive shaft on 1 series is shorter, so basically it's pretty much the same but different here. Oh, and also shifter mechanism is the same, but the boot on that shifter is different on 1 series. That's why people looking always for the 3 series swap, because from this car you can get the whole set, not just like parts. Yeah, that's gonna be it for today, and let's go home and be back tomorrow. We'll drop off the engine and we'll find what kind of turbos are those. Let's go. Okay guys, so we got the engine out and here it is. So the question that we had about the turbos, if they stock or if they aftermarket, and it looks like they just stock. Looks like they've been replaced. Actually, no, I don't see any signs of those bolts being taken out. So we have our inlets aftermarket, but the turbochargers are stock. So pretty much everything looks stock in here. They didn't touch anything. The engine, yeah, it was maintained like a while ago. I can definitely tell the oil pan gasket is leaking, but the water pump is new, and that this belt is new as well. We're gonna take it apart. Right now we will keep just a long block, and also we will need to keep the starter on it so we can pump the engine and do the compression test. We should have that thing somewhere in here, right here, to do the compression. Yeah, basically that's gonna be it. We have the car ready for scrap in here. A lot of random stuff inside of it, to pretty much everything what we need. All the damaged parts left inside of it, and even the hood. The hood was damaged somewhere, even that logo is damaged. Meanwhile, we'll have FedEx guys picking up our packages that's gonna be out today. So yeah, here is pretty much all the parts from that car, from IS. No wait, yeah, this is the part from IS. This is something different, that's the M3. This is the subframe from F series as well. And here is the set of wheels still available. Transmission, by the way, is still available, and everything else is available. And also interior is somewhere up in here. So that's gonna be the end of the story with that 335 IS. If you need anything, DM us on Instagram. As always, we sell parts on Instagram. We don't sell them here on YouTube. But here on YouTube, you're more than welcome to leave us a comment down below and that like button, and subscribe to our channel so we can finally hit 1,000 subscribers, which is gonna be like the small milestone for us. At this point, we're gonna go to the next project. And the next project, not the project, the next car for parts is gonna be this one. It's 2011 BMW E93 M3 with carbon fiber hood in it, and a lot of good upgrades. And look at that wrap. So let's get that car outside. This one we'll bring inside and we'll continue working. By the way, thank you guys for picking up packages for us. We really appreciate your job. Till the next time.